Good morning. In this clip, I'll be walking you through how to adjust an existing email template in Gmail. So let's get started. So I've had a lot of questions lately on how to edit a template that you've already set up. It's very easy to do. In this example, I'm going to use the Calendly template that I set up in the last video. So to get started, I'm just going to pull up the template, kind of remind you guys how easy it is to use, right? You just use these three dots, you go into templates, and you select the one that you want to use. My Calendly link has changed, and I also find that I'm saying things pretty differently. So here's the new tidbit that I want to use. Say I love to connect, I have a link, feel free to select a time that works for you, right? So you type whatever you'd like, whatever you want the new template to be, or you adjust the existing template. Either process works, but once you're done, you have an email that, or a piece of text within the compose box that you are happy with, you just come and use the three dots under more options again, and you go into templates and you click save draft as template, and this time you just overwrite the existing template. So you choose the one, I want to do this one, my Calendly tidbit, you overwrite your saved templates. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Click save, bada bing, bada boom, and now I'm going to discard this draft as well. Well, I'm going to try to save it. And now I just go into the three dots again, templates, use Calendly. Boom, there's my new one. Hope that helps.